Ecooler2400 model is a DC-powered air conditioning unit for van, camper van, trucks, cars, caravan, semi-truck, and other applications. The 48-volt air conditioning operates directly from batteries. It is a custom-made model to fulfill our clients' requirements. It utilizes screw compressor invert technology to reduce current draw from the electric 48-volt compressor and the blower motor at times. It is with roof mount condenser design, large surface area with fans, with a cooling capacity 2,400 watts. It's powerful enough to cool the entire van. A Guchen Ecooler2400 air conditioner enables you to enjoy the same pleasant temperatures wherever you are. Powered by strong and energy-saving technology, it offers high cooling performance for optimum comfort. Guchen Industry offers a wide range of air conditioning and ventilation systems for tractors, combine, and forage harvesters, self-propelled sprayers, loaders, special and construction machinery. From split systems and rooftop monoblocks to electric air conditioners.